Whenever you're building a custom car or upgrading your ride or even doing a restoration, there's lots of different options for fasteners. Now, a lot of times you pick up the bolts that you used before, or you may want to upgrade to something that's stronger or better looking. Now, there's several different types of bolts and they do different jobs, and today we're going to talk about a few. Well, here we've got three very similar looking bolts, but they are all different. This is your standard bolt here. This is zinc plated, and you can tell by the three ticks here that this is a grade 5, but we're going to talk about grading later. You can upgrade to a cadmium plated bolt like this, which is a grade 8, or you can step up a little bit more to this stainless steel bolt, which is resistant to corrosion, and you can even polish it up if you'd like. These here are socket cap bolts, which takes a hex key to drive them. And if you notice, the head is smaller for the size of the bolt, which means you can get these into a tighter spot, say if you're working on an accessory drive for an engine. Now, these come in different finishes, a coarse thread and fine thread, and this one is actually chrome plated. These are called button head bolts, and they come in different finishes and fine and coarse thread as well. These are for areas where you don't want the head of the bolt to get caught on things, and these are also driven by a hex key. Now, if a button head's not low profile enough, you can go with a countersunk bolt like this one. You just have to taper the hole, and then this will mount flush with the top of whatever you're bolting it to. This takes a hex key to drive as well, and these are also available in different sizes and thread pitch. This is an ARP bolt. It's kind of unique in that it has a 12-point head here, so you have to use a 12-point socket to drive it, but these are super strong. This is actually a stainless version. And because the head is so small, you can use it where you would normally use a socket head bolt, like when you're installing accessories on an engine. As a matter of fact, ARP makes entire kits to do such thing. Another unique type of bolt is metric. Now, a lot of vehicles, even domestic vehicles built from the mid-80s and newer, require a metric bolt. So if you've got threads that are tapped into the vehicle, you're going to need to use these. Now, you can tell the difference between a standard and a metric by what's stamped on the head. This is a standard bolt here, and you can tell it's standard because it has the lines, which indicates the grade, whereas the metric has a number, which indicates the grade. Well, this is certainly not all of the types of bolts that are out there, but this is a pretty good selection of what you'll see for automotive applications. Now, earlier I mentioned bolt grading, but there's more to it than that. So next time I'm going to talk about bolt grading, how to measure a bolt both for length and diameter, and also how to measure thread pitch.